All right, so to finish folding our small toolbox, we are going to start by using the other brake press on the other end of the table. They are the same thing, they do the same thing, they're folding our metal for us. The only difference is this one's just a little bit older. All right, so you're going to take the body. Now, the hem, this part right here, is going to be the last part that we end up folding. So what we need to do is we're going to flip it upside down, and on our presses, we're going to place our handle from the side that holds our presses up and down. It's going to be pushed down. I'm going to simply take the line right here for one of my edges, and I'm going to slide it in between these presses. Now, these presses are spaced out even or differently for different projects. So we're making the small toolbox. You're going to take the tabs on your right-hand side and place it over on the right-hand side, and then the left-hand side should fit right by where the smaller tab is. And I'm simply going to place this underneath. I'm going to line up my line that I created with the scratch-all, and I'm going to lock it into place on that line. All right, then you just simply take this and you're going to fold it to 90 degrees, loosen it up, slide it out, flip it around, again, to the right-hand side. Sometimes you have to jiggle the handle to raise those presses. All right, I'm going to place it inside of there. Lock it in, bring that to 90 degrees. Then I'm going to slide this out for where my hem is at. And again, I'm going to lock it into place. Now with this, we're going to go about, I say it's about 35, 40 degrees. I basically pull these handles up until you hear this edge of the body hit onto the press. All right, and we can pull this out. So you might have to do a little bit of adjusting. Right, pushing that, but basically I have my 90-degree corner, and then where my hem was, it is pushed on the inside. All right, so we're going to do the exact same thing with the lid, starting with our longer side. That 3/8 of an inch will be the last part that we fold as well. Again, sliding in the same spots, slide it under, lock it in. All right. And now this we are not going to fold to 90 degrees. It's going to kind of be like a 45 degree, almost kind of coming up towards your neck. All right. We can always fold it more if we need to. Flip it around. Line up your lines with the ends of the presses. Lock it into place. Bring that up. And one thing you want to try and remember is with where you cut your angles, you really don't want your tabs to overlap. So if you need to take a pair of tin snips and kind of trim those up, you absolutely can. And then I will have my last part, where is that's the 3/8 inch, and lock it into place. Bring that up, and voila. So you should have the body like this, and then our lid will come down on there. All right. In the next video, I'll go ahead and show you guys how to make the end pieces and how to get them to fit into your toolbox. If you have any questions, make sure that you ask the teacher.